Hey guys, welcome back. So I have got a fun little unboxing of my October Boxycharm by Ipsy that they sent me. So what I like to do in these videos is I go ahead and open up these boxes, I try out the goodies inside, so then I can give you some like quick overview information on these products and some little first impressions and mini reviews on them. So that's what we're gonna do in this video. So if you're new here, my name is Leslie, welcome. I love to do unboxings, favorites, new at the drugstore reviews, empties, just a lot of fun stuff here on my channel. So if you're new, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button and stuck around for a while. I'd love to have you here on my channel. So yeah, we are chatting about October Boxycharm by Ipsy, so let's get to it. Okay, so here is a little look inside of the box. So let's just jump in. And spoiler alert, this is probably my favorite box I've gotten, like over the years of them so kindly sending them to me. This one, standout favorite. So good. So let's go through the different things in here. First off, the Purlisse. I don't know if that's how you say this brand name. I've seen it many times. I've tried things of theirs over the years. But anyway, this is the Pumpkin Chai Latte Cleansing Balm. It says pumpkin, chai, soy milk, removes dirt, impurities, and makeup. And let's see. It says, inspired by my grandmother's Asian beauty wisdom with modern philosophy. It says on the side there. So yeah, it is formulated with pumpkin, chai, and soy milk to help remove dirt, impurities, and makeup, preserving the skin's natural oils and leaving it hydrated and refreshed. So you put it onto dry skin, circular motions to break down makeup and residue, rinse with warm water, or wipe with a damp washcloth, follow with, it says Purlisse serums and moisturizers. So it's a super cute box with the orange. It's very October. I love it. I love the like whole theme of this box. Here's what it looks like. So I did try this and I really like it. It's still actually wet from me trying it. This smells so good. It's got the little like scooper. So I used the little scooper and tried it out, and this worked very well. Like, and it smells so pumpkin-y and delicious, and it almost has that like kind of spicy pumpkin scent to it. Like it's truly like pumpkin pie. It's got more of that spicy sort of a smell versus just like a really sweet fakey pumpkin. So yeah, I mean, it smells incredible. Very spicy, true pumpkin. Oh my goodness, so good. And it removed the makeup very well, did not dry out my skin. I don't open my eyes, like I keep my eyes pretty closed tight when I'm removing my eye makeup with a cleansing balm, so I didn't notice it burning my eyes or anything, but I wasn't opening my eyes when I tried it because I don't really do that. I pretty much keep my eyes closed and didn't notice any kind of burning or anything with it, so it worked very well. I really like this. I can't get this fully on right now, but we're just trying to film quickly because I got other things today. So then I also got this brush set. This is by just Ximena, maybe? Ximena. And this is the JX Blend Pro 5-piece brush set. Super cute in the orange packaging, the metallic orange. I love it. That is so fun. So I tried a few of these today. These are really nice. Like the quality of them, very nice. They're like nice and kind of sturdy feeling, very soft. So I tried this one as, does it say what these are? Okay, I don't think, smooth brush, this one says. I tried this for a little bit of concealer. I had like a spot I wanted to conceal. I had like my foundation was being weird and uneven, so I tried it with concealer. That's why there's concealer on it. Worked really well. I mean, it's like that flat kind of brush. You could use this for concealer or for eyeshadow, like packing it on your lid or whatever, so that worked well. I did not try this one. This is an angled brush, but this would be good for lower lash line, for liner on your upper lash line. This one could definitely be, oh, did I say what that's called? This one says angle brush. This one says crease brush. This is too big and kind of too almost flat on the top for my preferences for a crease brush, but I would use this for cheek highlight. Like I like these kind of brushes for a cheek highlight. I think this would work perfectly for that. I did use these two on my eyes. This one says Perfect Brush. I like this one because it's a little bit more domed. It's a little bit longer and more bendy than the typical crease brushes that I use, but I am liking a larger kind of a crease brush recently, and this one did work really well. It distributed the product nicely. It's nice and soft, so I will definitely keep using that. And then this is the large brush, and I used this for my brow bone highlight. Worked really well. Nice and soft, pretty kind of like, I don't know, bronzy sort of a handle to it. These are nice. I really like that. Okay, this, oh my goodness. This is the Dew of the Gods. What is it? Vitamin Blend Body Lotion in Pumpkin Sugar Cookie. It says deeply hydrates and nourishes. This packaging is beautiful. I accidentally dropped something on it, one of the other products, when I was trying it. Oh my. This is amazing. Beautiful packaging to it. It says, Gloasis is here to drench your skin in next level hydration. It says it was formulated to give you full body glow up in a bottle packed with skin loving ingredients that nourish, soothe, and leave you with that just moisturized radiance. Melts into your skin like a dream, a true dewy euphoria, a glowy oasis. And then it says, your autumn sweet treat addiction just got an upgrade. Pumpkin Sugar Cookie is a warm, cozy pumpkin swirled dream infused with notes of cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla. It's like wrapping your skin in a cashmere sweater, but make it dewy. This is amazing. Like, probably one of the best smelling lotions I've ever tried. I mean, as long as you like a pumpkin sugar cookie kind of a scent, like that sort of a scent, it smells like a candle, but not in an off-putting way, just like in a really delicious way. It's nice and hydrating. I love the formula on it. I love this scent. Now this one is more on the, like, this smells like a true pumpkin pie. This smells more like a pumpkin candle, pumpkin lotion, you know, pumpkin dessert. It's because it's got that sweetness to it, that vanilla. And what else does it say? What else was it saying? Cinnamon. I definitely smell the cinnamon. I would say I mostly smell like that pumpkin-y vanilla, like a sweet pumpkin-y smell, but still has a little bit of the spiciness to it also. Love it so much. Love the formula, love the packaging, love the scent. I am totally obsessed. Okay, then I got a blush. I have this on. I love this. This is beautiful too. I'm so excited about this box. This is from Rare Beauty. This is the Soft Pinch Dewy Liquid Blush, and this is in the shade Believe. Here is the outside box on it, and then the product itself. When I first saw this, I didn't know if this was gonna work for me. A little bit goes a long way with this product, so that kind of an applicator on it. So just a little, let's just do a little bit of it. There it is. So it's like a rosy sort of a shade, but I mean, this blended out, this is totally what I love for a one and done cheek product, because it's almost in between like a bronzer and a rosy blush. Love this color. It's very dewy for sure, but I love it. I think it's beautiful. This is my more textured cheek, and I really don't feel like it's accentuating that texture, but it is just beautifully glowy. I love this color. I feel like it looks way more intimidating in here. I think it looks more like plummy, purpley, and here I feel like it comes off more rosy. It has a slight warmth to it or something. I like it way more actually swatched and applied than I do in the container. Love this. I love the formula. It blended nicely. It's just very glowy, but I don't feel like it accentuates texture. So good. And then last up, I got an eyeshadow palette, which I also love. This is from Lithe, and this is the Astral eyeshadow palette. Here is the outside box on it. I do have this on my eyes. I have a little bit of MAC Malt in my crease, just kind of as a crease shade to initially, you know, like get a little bit of something down on my eyes. But here is the color story on this. This is so good. So I have this on my brow bone. I have this buffed onto kind of the middle part of my lid. I'm liking that kind of like buffing motion with a metallic shade. You can see it there, just how beautiful that is. do I have, oh, I have a little bit of the, no, I don't have the pink on. I don't have this one on. I have a little bit of this in my crease and outer corner. Beautiful, blendable formula. This is a great formula, very easy to work with. I have a little bit of this. Is that not so good? I have a little bit of this on the inner corners of my eyes, like inner part of my lid, just a little bit sort of buffed out. I don't have it like applied full on like that. And then I don't have any of this on, but I think this would be a really pretty kind of, you know, slate gray liner or something. But yeah, blendable formula, beautiful color story. Love this color story. I like that this is a little like surprise in here. Like this is a very kind of, you know, pinky neutral combo, but then you have this little like, I don't know, surprise duochromy blue, duochromed shade that's amazing. And then you've got this nice kind of cool toned, dark slate gray gunmetal sort of color. It's just, it's such a good palette. I'm so excited about it. Yeah, such a good box. So those are all the goodies that I got in here. This is top tier, one of my favorite boxes I've ever gotten. I love everything in here. I mean, yeah, I don't even know if I could pick a favorite. I absolutely love the lotion so much. And then maybe these two products. If I had to narrow down like what I'll probably get the most use out of, I would say probably those three things. But I also love the cleansing balm and the brushes too. So there's the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed seeing a look into this box. I would love to hear what you got or what you're excited to get. Let me know that down below. If you want to sign up for Boxycharm by Ipsy, I will have my link down below. No pressure whatsoever to use my link, but if you do, thank you so much. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Please subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in my next video.